9 common ways when women can ruin hair. We are sure that every lady in the world is at least a little envious of those ladies on the TV with perfect hair. We are not going to say that we blame you. It is only natural to wish for flawless hair. But the reality is such that not every one of us is entitled with a gorgeous mane. Of course, genetics and stuff matters, but the truth is that very often we are the ones to inflict the most damage to our hair. It is true that no one would damage their hair on purpose. That is why we have thought that it may be a good idea to at least point it out to you what you may be doing wrong so that you quit immediately. Welcome to Natural Health Plus. Before going forward, we request you to kindly subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos. So let's start. Number 1. Wrong angle. In case you are just like all of us, regular people, you wash your hair standing with your head up. Got you. That is wrong. The best way to wash your hair is with your head down. Number 2. The heat. It may be nice to treat yourself to a hot bath or shower after a long day, but you should in no case wash your hair with hot water. That is the straight way to damage your hair. Number 3. Blow drying. All of us are guilty of damaging our hair by blow drying it, but some of us go even further with that. The thing is that the fact that your hair dries faster if the stream is hot does not mean that it does not damage it. That is why try to avoid too hot air while drying your hair. Number 4. Water. Water has life. That is why if you do not drink enough of it, you dehydrate your body and nothing good can ever come out of it. If your hair is dry and brittle, think about your daily water intake in the first place. Number 5. Cold. Cold weather can also damage your hair. That is why when it is rainy and cold outside, or it is snowing, make sure that you always wear a hat. Number 6. Natural. Natural beauty care is great, but only if you know how to use it. If you start experimenting with anything that you read online, the result may be dire. For example, before you apply an essential oil mask, think about whether or not you are going to use a straightener or curling iron soon, because the two are incompatible. Number 7. Junk food. The healthier your menu, the healthier is your hair. As simple as that. Number 8. Haircut. Of course, not all of us like to experiment with haircuts on a regular basis, but trimming your hair is a must. You should do it at least once a month, otherwise you will end up with damaged hair in no time. Number 9. Brushing. This may seem quite obvious, but sometimes we tend to forget to brush out hair, and that is not a very good thing to do. Make sure that you brush your hair first thing in the morning, and your hair will be grateful. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and please share this with your friends and family, and let us know what you think in the comments section below. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Before leaving us, kindly check out our these cool videos. Goodbye.